Hello everybody, it's Jenny the Crazy Country Couponer, and it's time for some more laundry deals. Last week we had Game Time and Roll Tide. And this week, well, we're going to get snuggled and purcelled up, okay? And yeah, and Purex and all. We got another 5 off 15 on these items, guys. And you know you want to know how we're going to do it. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. And please, please, please leave a comment and an emoji. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, let's stop everything right now, look below, and smash that red subscription button and the notification bell and make sure it says all. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have here almost every single day. And that being said, if you are not been getting your notifications, well, this information is timely stuff, guys. Look below. The link to the channel is in the description box. Click on it, add it to your favorites, so you can check the channel every day and see if there's something new for you, instead of waiting on YouTube to send their late notifications. And, well, you might miss something, and we don't want that. So please make sure all your notifications are on. Also, YouTube has been sending out surveys asking if you liked how you were being notified. If you have gotten that survey, you might want to answer the question. And that way you continue to get notified about your subscriptions. Thank you, everybody, for doing all the good stuff and giving me all that love, because I know you did. All right, let's talk about this hot deal. One of my favorite deals because, well, I can get me some more per sale and I can get it at a super good price. Got plenty of digital to work with this deal, okay? We've got a 2 off of per sale. We've got an earn on the per sale. We've got $1.25 off of the snuggle or all. And I'm not mistaken, we still may have that big Purex coupon. So, let's go do a couple scenarios with this deal. Because like I said, it is a save 5 when you spend 15. And check your account. Some people out there are getting a 3 off of 15. You know, that any day of the week coupon. Just go check your accounts. You might have that, or you might have a birthday coupon. If you have either one of those, of course, you can use it with this transaction, or you can use some of your spend money. Okay, this is our $1.25 coupon, and it's good on the all and the snuggle, okay? Now, the snuggle is on sale for $3.75. So you're going to pick up 2 of the snuggles. And you're going to go for the fabric softener because there is an earn on the fabric softener, as well as a $1.25 coupon. So you're going to pick up 2 of those. You'll get an earned $1 back, and then you're going to use this $1.25 coupon. Then you're going to pick up the $10.95 per sale. If you've not tried per sale, this is your opportunity to get it at an awesome price. And I guarantee you, you're going to like the per sale. Okay. Now, that's $18.45 for those 2 snuggle and the per sale. And you've got a $1.25 coming off. You've got $2 coming off for the per sale. And then you've got the 5 off of 15. That is $10.20 out of pocket. And then with your earn back, it is $9.20 out of pocket. Yeah, and if you've got another $3 off, such as a 3 off of 15, then you would be looking at $6.20. So yeah, it just keeps getting lower and lower depending on what coupons that you have. But your base deal without any extra coupons would be $9.20 final out of pocket for 3 items, and one of those items is $10.95, guys. So you're paying less than just one of those items, which means the other 2 items are absolutely free. Yep. And I mean, there's so many ways to look at it, but that's the bottom breakdown. Next, we can do, well, if you just like for sale, you can do a big bottle of for sale for $10.95 and a small bottle of for sale for $5.95, because you've got a $2 coupon, a $1.50 earned for the small bottle, and you're 5 off. So you're looking at $16.90. You got $7 in coupons, making that $9.90, and then you're going to get your earn back, and that's going to make that $8.40 out of pocket for those 2 items. And again, you're paying less than one of those items, so the other item is, well, free. Now, if you like all products and not real big on the for sale, you can do this deal with 1 Snuggle fabric softener and 1 all product, because you're still going to get your $1.25 off your all. Just make sure you put the all up first, so that $1.25 coupon will attach to the all and not the Snuggle. And then you'll get your earn back on your Snuggle. You'll still get your for sale and your $2 off, and your out of pocket is still going to be $9.20 for those 3 different items. Now, if you're a Purex user or you like Purex, there is no Purex coupons. We have this big bottle of Purex for $13, and you could pick up a Snuggle fabric softener for $3.75, and you're going to get the $1.25 off. Your out of pocket for both of these items will be $10.50. And again, it's like getting your fabric softener for free. And of course, if you'd like to, you can wait till Saturday to use this coupon and use it just like we do our gain, and add a few items to it. You'll need $10 more worth of items. Easy to do because we've got a lot of things that we could be choosing from. And I will throw in a 5 off 25 scenario for Saturday for this to save you some extra money on these products. But for any day of the week deal, well, this is it, guys. So any day of the week, you can get this deal with 3 items for less than $10. Now, stay tuned. Our next video is going to include some food items, because, you know, one day a week we have to tackle some food deals. And then we're going to do some pet food deals, as well as some Dove deals. And you know you want to know. So make sure you stop on by, and I'll tell you all about it. Blessings.